Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to show you another video how you can produce your seedling cup. This one you can use this one will be more easier for you to use, but if you can't produce, you can't get money to get this, and you want to produce with your pepper, it's very easy to make. I have my sawdust in it. If you put your sand or your gray soil in it, you can use it. So I'm going to teach you how to produce this with just your A4 paper. Here is your A4 paper. So it's very easy to produce. You can watch the video over and over again to get how to do this. So you fold your paper, make the first fold. After you're done with the first fold, you make sure it's straight. Then you make your second fold. Make your second fold. When you're done with your second fold, you open it up. And from the middle of where you start, the middle of this place, you fold over and press it hard. Then you fold over again. Don't mind the noise. I'm sorry for the noise. I have to stay at home do this video. So you fold over again. After folding over, then you fold this place. When you are done folding, then you then fold here. Now you watch very closely. You fold here and make sure it's touching the middle of this place. Just here and here. Okay. Then you fold this over. You're done. You're done, guys. And this, you fold this also. For this. For this. Now, if you're going to keep this for a longer period of time before using them, you can just pop this into this and you're good to go. Get it into this. Look at it. You can just keep it this way. You can see. Now, if you want to open it up, bring out this, and yeah, your group, your seedling cup is ready. Okay. It's ready. Here, you can see this. Look at it. I had to use sawdust because I don't have my grow saw here with me, so I had to use a sawdust. Here, you can see this. So once you add your water, it will balance very well, and you can pile them up so they don't tear up very fast, and use your broom to open it up and put your seeds in it. You can see it's very easy to make. In a short period of time, in 2 minutes time, you can be able to produce this.
If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. This is the only way you can help me grow on YouTube. Please, so guys, help me please. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends. See you next time.